Hello guys, I'm Paris, the Options Guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, a volatile day in Bank Nifty as well as Nifty. Although Nifty kind of looking a little bit more, a little bit less volatile than Bank Nifty, but yeah, still pretty much we can see volatility in both of the indices. And what can we expect for tomorrow is very simple over here. See, first of all, Bank Nifty is also on a breakout stage, but the thing is that if you see in a longer time frame, right, let me just go to the 4 hour time frame so that you guys can go ahead and see even with a better clarity. In a 4 hour time frame, or say in a 1 hour time frame, I'm just going to go ahead and close the VWAP and the EMA so that the chart becomes a little bit more cleaner. Yeah, in a 4 hour, in a 1 hour time frame, we are still seeing a pullback, right? This is also still a pullback in a longer time frame, right? So it's not like we have converted this into a bullish trend again, right? When will this be converted into a bullish trend? When the sellers will try again to bring the market down, but the bulls will be too powerful and they will bring the market up again, right? So still I'll be so 43,000 is very near, right? So tomorrow, if we do open flat, right, you guys can go ahead and take a trade over here, but the thing is that 43,000 is very near, right? So tomorrow, I would not recommend you guys to take a trade on the upside. You much rather, because the thing is that at 43,000 we can expect a lot of a good selling pressure, which could bring the markets down. After which we could see, I mean, which could bring the market down to like 42,500, maybe 42,400. After which the bulls can take over from here and again take the market up. If the bulls would be strong, right? If this is converting into an uptrend, the bulls will be strong. They will take the market up from here very fast, right? uh, but if the bulls will not be strong, we will see a new low in a few days over here, right? We will see a new low below 41,600 on the downside, after which maybe we could expect the bulls to take over in the longer time frame, right? So tomorrow, if you open flat, I would not be interested to buy over here. I mean, sure, we could expect some move till 43,000. So if you want to do if you want to scalp over here, if you want to do scalping, it's yeah, this is a pretty good place to scalp. But for longer targets, bigger targets, I would not recommend you guys to take trades over here, right? On the downside, things will be very interesting, because only if we do open with any sort of a gap down, then we can expect a good down move from here till at least 42,400, 42,200, and 42,000, all those levels on the downside, right? So if we do open with any sort of a gap down near 42,700 or 42,600, wait for 42,000 yeah, wait for 42,600 to be broken, or this low of 42,580 to be precise. Wait for this low to be broken. Once this low is broken, then you guys can go ahead and short over here. Your first target can easily be 42,400, which will easily be achievable, because there is pretty much no support over here for Bank Nifty to take till at least 42,400, right? After that, you guys can go ahead and book a little bit, book your profits a little bit and let the rest trail till 42,200 at least, or 42,000. But I would recommend you guys to only go till 42,200 on the downside, right? Tomorrow, if you open with a gap up, things will be pretty interesting. We will need to see how price action builds up in the first few candles of the day, because if we'll open above 43,000, right? So all the people who would have shorted the index, who would have like shorted the 43,000 C, they will start panicking over here, right? So if we do see bullish price action being built over here with a pullback, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade. So simply speaking, if you guys, if I could give you an example, if we open somewhere near 43,100 over here, first of all, wait for a pullback, right? Once we see a pullback till 43,000, or maybe 43,950, or maybe the gap is filled, and after over here we see bullish price action being made, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade over here, because that will be the best scenario for you. Do not take a trade as soon as we open, because what could happen is that something like this could happen. We open with a gap up and then we start moving down, and maybe we might not even stop, right? So do not take a trade as soon as we open, because then things could, your stop loss could get hit unnecessarily. So yeah, guys, that was for Bank Nifty. Now talking about Nifty. Nifty looks a little bit better over here, if you see, because Nifty has closed really bullish and it looks like it is in a bullish momentum over here. So tomorrow is going to be very simple. First of all, on the upside, well, if we open flat, Nifty looks like it can do a good momentum till at least what 18,190 to 18,200 on the upside. So what you guys can do over here is that if you open somewhere near 18,130, you guys can go ahead and take a trade easy over here till at least 18,200 to 18,190 on the upside. That could be an easy target. I don't think Nifty will take much time to hit that. On the other hand, if we open with any sort of a gap up, then things could get volatile, right? Then maybe we could see a little bit of profit booking till 18,130, 18,140, 150. And as same with Bank Nifty, if we do see bullish price action being made over here, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here for higher targets of 18,300, 320 on the upside, right? On the downside, again, if we go below 8, because this is the buyer zone, right? So if we start going below 18,020, I would still not recommend you guys to take a trade over here because 18,000 is very near, right? So unless we break 18,000 on the downside, I would not recommend you guys to go very aggressive over here. So if we do break 18,000, 17,980 on the downside tomorrow, after say opening with a gap down near 18,050, so that would be pretty, like, you'll say, bro, that's, I mean, already the momentum has happened. How am I supposed to enter right now? So simply what you can do over here is that once we break 18,020, you guys can go ahead and take half quantity over here of your total planned quantity. So maybe if you're planning to say short, like short calls of like 100 quantity, right? So 2 lots. So you can short one lot over here and short the other lot after we go below 17,980, after we get a closing below 17,980, because then things will become pretty bearish from here, and then we can expect at least a downside momentum till 17,900 to 17,880, and then 17,800 should be your next target. So yeah, guys, that was it for tomorrow. Tomorrow the opening will be very important to decide where we are heading, right? If we open with a gap down, then things could get pretty bearish and we could see a new low being made in a few days, new short-term low being made in a few days in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So yeah, guys, that was it for today. I hope you guys like my video and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.